Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Waheeda Khan, Caribbean beauty influencer here on social media. I am so excited to do this video because I actually always do like a favorite video at the end of the year, but because 2020 was just you know, one of those years, I just felt like it wasn't appropriate to do like a favorite roundup video just because a lot was going on during 2020 and ain't nobody trying to watch a video about makeup telling you to go spend money when we have more important things going on in the world, right? And the first thing that I'm going to talk about is actually a skincare moisturizer product, and this is actually from Kopari. This is their coconut water moisturizing cream, girlfriend. If you are looking for a moisturizer that is super lightweight, that is going to work with every skin type, whether you're oily, combo, dry, it doesn't matter. This is going to be the perfect moisturizer for you. It is super duper lightweight. It dries really quickly and absorbs into your skin really quickly, so you can apply primers, you can apply foundation and makeup, whatever, immediately after, and there is no wait time, which is so important for me. Speaking of primers, these girlfriend, when I say you need these primers in your life, you need these primers in your life. These are Makeup Forever has like the step 1 primers already out, but they came out with probably at least like 8 different primers that like literally will cover every single skin type that is out there in the world, and these two are my favorite for my specific skin type. So the first one we have is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Dullness Eraser Primer, and then the next one that I love is the Pore Minimizing Primer. This is like a holy grail ride or die primer. I love these two combined because I apply this first on my skin, but what this kind of does, the Dullness Eraser, well, if you have like hyperpigmentation, you have post-acne marks, which we all know is something I struggle with, it would actually counteract those kind of marks and kind of minimize them, and that is why I absolutely love this. I love to use this also when I'm doing like my no makeup vibes. And again, the Pore Minimizing Primer, it does what it says it does. It minimizes your pores, smooths everything out so beautifully. Okay, when I say this is a brush that I never thought I would love so much when I first saw it, girlfriend, I love this brush so very much. It is to a point where I think I need to go out and buy probably 4 more to keep backups because it is so damn good. This is a Wet n Wild dual-ended brush. This is a collab brush. I believe it is on their website and it is still available. I hope it's not still sold out because it was sold out for a while, but I love to use this brush specifically to set my under eye. You could also use this brush to like contour your nose because you have the smaller end, and then this side over here you can use it to bronze, you can use it to contour, you can even use this to highlight your cheekbones if you wanted to. This is such a multi-purpose brush, but I specifically love it to set my under eyes. And speaking of setting my under eyes, these are 2 powders that you, listen, if you are a tan color girl and you are looking for the perfect powders that will not look gray and will not give you a white cast in photos, girlfriend, these are it. How many times can I say girlfriend? But we have the Mercier Honey Translucent Powder. This is absolutely a ride or die powder for me. It's literally a filter for your face. It smooths everything out, sets everything beautifully. Because of the honey color, it just kind of looks amazing on brown color. Girls, if you are medium, if you are tan deep like me, this is a bomb.com brush. This is a bomb.com powder in your kit that you must have. Also, speaking about must-haves, it is this bad boy. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder. I use the shade Y445. Girl, if you don't believe that I love this powder, look at this pan. I love this powder so much. I probably have 3 backups of this powder in my kit, in my collection, because it is so damn good. So we're talking about Makeup Forever, I might as well mention these and get these out of the way. These are the brand new Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencils. They have a shitload of colors, but these are the ones that I specifically love, and I think everyone is going to want to purchase these. And let me just say before anyone asks, I personally tested these out myself, and they are actually water resistant. I mean, like, I swatched all of them on my arm, put them under like water, and like rubbed the shit out of my arm with soap, and it did not come off, it didn't run or anything like that. So if you have watery eyes, girlfriend, these are going to be bomb for you. But the colors that I love, is Lagoon. Then we have Ebony, which is a beautiful brown that actually shows up. We have Graphite, which is just a regular black. And then this one over here is in the shade Deep Sea. Okay, moving on. If you are a makeup artist, if you are a makeup fanatic, and you absolutely hate washing your brushes, and you want to find the perfect, like, on-the-go, spot-on cleaner for your brushes that will dry very quickly, look no further. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is their brush cleaner and disinfectant spray. Yeah, listen, if you don't think that I actually love this, girlfriend, I love this. This is my backup that I have not even opened yet, but I love this so very much. I'm so, like, just super lazy when it comes to cleaning my brushes, and when I'm, like, kind of doing my makeup, ain't nobody got time to go wash a brush under the sink. This is super duper easy. Spray it, wipe it off on a towel, and your brush is completely clean and dry as well. Love it. Okay, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know the deal when it comes to this bad boy. This lip liner, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It is so good. I have literally 5 of these in my kits because it is just so good, and I don't ever want to run out of this. And this is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. This is in the color Chocolate. I have been on the hunt to find the perfect chocolate brown lip liner that actually shows up on my skin tone, well, on my lips I should say. I'm gonna swatch this right here, like right under. I know it may not look like much, but I promise you, like, listen, if you are a brown tan color girl, we do struggle with hyperpigmentation on our lips as well. If you guys have ever noticed, my top lip is actually darker than my bottom lip. It's the most annoying thing ever. So I have to use products that are super pigmented, so it would actually, like, show up. Again, it was really hard to find the perfect brown lip liner that actually showed up on my already brown skin tone and lips. And this is the one that does it, and it's just everything. Listen, just buy it. I promise you, you will thank me later. Speaking of lips, listen, if y'all are looking for, like, thebomb.com lip care lip moisturizer, look no further, honey. This is from Sigma Beauty. This is their conditioning lip mask. I absolutely love this. I love the packaging. I love the fact that this is a squeezy tube and it's like a little metal applicator. I don't know, the metal applicator just kind of stays cold, probably because my desk is close to my window, so it feels amazing on my lips. It's not too thick, it's not too thin either, where it's just gonna kind of disappear in a couple of minutes or in like 30 minutes. It really does hydrate your lips without it feeling sticky, without it feeling gloopy. It gives you a really nice glossy shine without being too excessive. I only have one foundation that I absolutely love that I'm going to recommend to you guys because I think it's going to work on every single skin tone, normal, dry, combo skin, and it is the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. I am in the shade Tahoe if anyone wants a color reference. I did do a full review video on this foundation, applying it with a brush and then applying it with a sponge on my face and kind of zooming you guys in so you guys can see what this foundation looks like. I'm going to link that video up there, so if you want to check it out you can, so you can kind of see more in depth why I love this foundation. But this is so damn good. It has more of a like soft matte type of finish, which is beautiful, especially if you are a bride. Just set really good, and let me tell you guys, this is thebomb.com. One thing that surprised me is that I have been so obsessed with cream bronzer and cream blush, and that is the one thing that I have the most of. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cream blushes that I think are so worth your money, and they are varying in prices. So I have amazing things that are really inexpensive that is worth your money. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about for cream blush is the e.l.f. Puddy Blush. I don't know what color this is in specifically because it is not on the packaging, but this is what this bad boy looks like. This is honestly so pigmented that you really just need a little bit of this and it goes such a long way. The next cream blush that I love, whoo, honey, Jouer Cosmetics hit the ball out. What is it saying? Hit it out of the park. Jouer Cosmetics hit it out of the park with this product. It is the Blush and Bloom Uplift Cheek and Lip Duo. So basically it is a cream cheek product. So you actually do get 2 colors when you buy one product, which I absolutely love. They have 3 different colors, or 3 different sets, I should say. And again, you do get 2 colors. I love these so much. I can literally swipe this on my face, and I promise you it is not moving my foundation or any type of base that I have on. I have even accidentally set my face with powder and applied this on top, and my foundation and my powder did not break up at all. These are so freaking amazing. Jouer Cosmetics, this is where it is at. The last 2 cream blushes that I absolutely love. The first one is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is a liquid blush in the color Truly. This is such a beautiful shade, and I absolutely love the doe foot applicator. It can kind of easily be mistaken as like a lip product, but I promise you it is not. It is for your cheeks. It is a liquid blush. This is bomb.com. The color Truly works beautiful and looks amazing on our skin tone. The last one that I have here is from Milani. Super duper inexpensive and amazing pigment. This is their Cheek Kiss cream blush. This is in the color Blushing Berry. This is a little bit dark. If you are lighter than me, this may not be your cup of tea, but if you are my skin tone or darker, you are going to love this. Again, this is in the color Blushing Berry. So before I move on to cream bronzer, I want to mention one thing, and it is a mascara. Girlfriend, I have been so obsessed with this mascara. It is a TikTok famous mascara, and it is so good. It is worth the actual hype. And this is from Maybelline. This is their Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, I had actually done it before and after applying this mascara, and I absolutely love it. I have heard that the waterproof version of this mascara is not the best. I personally have not tried it. I only purchased the regular version of this, and I absolutely love it. I do use about 2 to 3 coats to get my lashes to look the way that I want them to, but that's normal with any other mascara that I use and I love. Moving on to bronzer and contour, the first thing I want to talk about is from Ofra Cosmetics. These are their brand new blushers. So these are basically a split pan that comes with a contour as well as a blush on the other side. This is in the shade Squad. Listen, hands down, this is bomb.com. Super duper pigmented. You do not need to use a lot, and I love the shade selection that they did with these split pans, because these shades really do work amazing on tan, deep tan, darker skin tone, and they actually show up. So thank you so much for this. Get it. I have to mention this because if you follow me on Instagram, you already know the deal. This is from Jouer Cosmetics. This is literally my ride or die product, and I'm not even exaggerating. I use it in every video, and there's nothing else that I use for my nose contour. This is from Jouer Cosmetics. This is their High Essential Concealer Pen. You can of course buy this in a concealer shade. I chose to buy this in a contour shade, and the shade that I got is in the shade Filigree. I love the formula and I love the packaging. First of all, anything with Jouer Cosmetics is super duper chic and just kind of like super sophisticated and luxurious, which hence the price tag. But I love it because the product and the quality is just so freaking amazing. So I do love the fact that the packaging of this is literally a pen. So you just kind of like press here and you will get more product out. Speaking of other cream products that are also absolutely perfect, this is what I use for my face. And this is from Juvia's Place. Super duper inexpensive. This is their Multisticks. You can of course buy this in a concealer shade if you like, but I got it in a contour shade, and the shade that I got is in the shade Tunisia. Bomb.com, super pigmented. Like, I will just say that it can be a little intimidating if you are now getting into cream contour. Like, this is sometimes a little too, this can be a little too pigmented if you are a beginner. So if you are like real advanced with cream contour and you absolutely love it and you live and die for it, get this bad boy. But if you are a beginner, this may not be the product for you. But I still got you, girl. Don't worry. If you are a beginner and you want to get into cream contour, girlfriend, this is where it is at, and I believe this is even less pricey as the Juvia's Place. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. This is from Soul Body. This is their Face and Body Bronzing Balm. I got the shade Deep. Listen, this is so good. The pigment is there, but it's not excessively pigmented where it can become intimidating. So again, if you are a beginner, this is amazing product for you. Super duper inexpensive. It literally smells like coconuts. It smells amazing. I'm also going to say, if you guys know about the super duper expensive Chanel cream bronzer, this is a complete dupe for it, and it actually has shades that actually work on tan color girls or deeper skin tones. Listen, just get this. Don't even spend your money and waste your money on that Chanel bronzer. Get this. If you haven't noticed, I have been doing my eyebrows very different lately, and I'm so into like that fluffy brow, soap brow type of moments. I do have a full like brow video that I will link up here. If you want to check that out, you totally can. But listen, girlfriend, this, oh my god, it's so damn good. This is the NYX Cosmetics Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I use the shade black because my roots are very dark. I have dark hair. I've tried other colors, but they just don't look good on me because again, my brow hair is black, so black is just where I had to go. Okay, I got two more products to talk about, and they are both palettes. Normally I would have a ton of palettes to talk about and list for you guys, and there are a ton that I absolutely love, but I wanted to keep this very minimal and only choose palettes that I'm like, oh my god, there's so many looks that I can do with these two palettes, and it is these two bad boys. The first one is from Sigma. This is their Corta Rosa palette. It is just so freaking pretty. There's so many things that you can do with this one palette. Honestly, don't think about it. I think everyone will love this palette. If you see it and you like it, go ahead and purchase it because I promise you, you are going to love it. I will just say anything with Sigma, I do have a 10% off code. Everything is listed and linked down below. So if you want to use it, you totally can. If you don't, that's totally okay. But don't deprive yourself of this palette. Like, you need it. You need that palette. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is also a palette, and it is this bad boy. This is the Amrezy collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Girlfriend, she is real loved and she is very abused because this is such a bomb ass palette. It has everything that you will need. Again, I feel like these two palettes are literally the two palettes that I reach for the most in my collection out of all the palettes that I have. And the pigment is there. It's super duper high quality formula in regards to the eyeshadows. Great palettes, and both of these palettes also come with a dual-ended brush, so you are getting more for your money, I feel, with these two specifically. Alright, my loves, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was short and sweet and it was really to the point. Of course, everything will be listed down below in the description box if there is anything that you want to purchase. Comment down below, let me know what are some of the products that you guys have been loving and would like for me to try. I will of course go out and purchase those. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!